What's happening, everyone? This is Ashley with the Daily Practice. Oh my gosh, we're back. This is video three, week three, and I'm excited because we're talking all about the apps that you can actually manage your budget with, right? The project budget. So, this might be like one of the more shortest videos that I had, but we'll see. We'll see. I always like to keep it 5 minutes or less for you all. But for those of you that are watching this video for the first time, you got to go back to the first two because we are in a mean green budgeting series. We're talking all about the money and what you need to successfully plan a project, because oftentimes we get going and it's the money. It's that money that gets a little funny that can literally delay us from executing. So, here's what I want us to think about when it comes to managing the money. Like, how do you actually do that? Pen and paper, they say. I'm not gonna throw the pen and paper squad out, because I think you should use pen and paper or a Google Doc to start to think about, all right, what does this cost? What does this insert virtual event, in-person event? I'm writing a book. I'm starting a podcast. I'm going to go on a huge brand redesign or trademarking. I'm going to relaunch my podcast. That's what I'm going to do. How much is all of this going to cost? So I think a really good way to start doing that is writing down those areas, those resource, technical, what else? Technology requirements, vendors, contractors, whatever that is, right? Write down those areas. Now, I will say this in terms of tools that you can use. Let's make it real simple. Come through Google Sheets. Google Sheets can be your best friend. For those of you that are more Microsoft oriented, Excel will be definitely a great platform. ClickUp. ClickUp can also be a great app that you can use to go about and manage your budget. Okay? But let's just start with just like the Google Sheet, right? And what I want to do is, and I'll be doing this on my live stream, just showing you this live, but I just want to start putting it together, just a simple format that you can do. So, number one, go ahead in those headings and just write item as the first heading, that first cell. Secondly, put category, put price. Okay. Fourth, put the number. Now, of course, you can kind of rearrange this as you see fit. But basically, I'm giving you I'm giving you headings for you to put in your Google Sheet. Okay. So you can put like, what's the exact budget item? Like, what's the name of it? Okay. It could be graphic designer. All right. Now I want you to then put in the second one, like how many that you need. Need one, you need two. How many? Number three, I definitely want you to put the estimated budget. What do you have? If you're going to get a graphic designer, how much money are you going to put out there? 1,000, 1,500, $2, 10,000? I don't know. I'm just putting numbers out there to get going. Okay. And so this will give you a really good opportunity of like the estimate budget, right? So you can go and find out, and do the research yourself. But if you have another team member that can really help with this, you definitely will. Now, let's talk about vendors, especially for in-person events. Floral arrangements, swag bags. Let's see, content creation booth. You want to just get a really good mock-up of like what these costs are, what your budget is, and then what the actual is, and see, do all the numbers make sense, or do you need to go and readjust the numbers according to the budget? So I just want to start the conversation. Definitely meet me at the Systems Lab Live Monday and at 8 p.m. And definitely go and tune in because I'm going to be giving that example. And those of you that are watching for the replay, definitely go to week 3 of the Mean Green, and you'll see that corresponding video to corresponding live stream to this video. So that's all that I have for you all today. I'm keeping it short, keeping it sweet, but I definitely want you all to start thinking about the actual budget item, how many that you need, the estimated cost, and then the actual cost itself. So begin there, and we'll talk soon. And that's it. This is Ashley Schuler with the Daily Practice. I'll see you soon.